Hello, and thank you for using the TrainTrack software. In this video, we will be going over how to set up training exams. First, you'll go to your training list and locate the training you want to add an exam to. Double-click on the name. Then, on the status dropdown, select Exam. In this top portion, you can go ahead and start typing in your first question. Let's see here. Okay, so you'll add the question at the top, and then the relating answers will go at the bottom right below here where it says letter and then answer. So you'll put letter A and put your answer there. Then you will enter a point value. If this answer will be incorrect, you will want to enter a 0 point value in the points section there. Then move on to letter answer B. And for the correct answer, you can put any point value that's greater than 0. You can enter as many answers as you would like for each question. So let's add just one more here. All right, so now we've entered a question at the top and the relating answers are at the bottom. I'm making sure that I just have one correct answer listed and the rest of the incorrect answers will have a 0 point value. You are able to allow more than one answer if you prefer. So if you wanted to have two correct answers, you would just put a 2 here in the number of answers allowed. But for this example, we'll just put 1. If you wanted to add a second question, you would just have to click on line number 2 there above where it says questions and start typing in your question. This will be true and false. I'll only have one correct answer allowed. And down below, you can go ahead and start typing in your letter answer. And if this is the incorrect answer, you'll put 0. Then you'll put letter answer B. This will be our correct answer. So we'll put a point value here in the points section. If you wanted to add a third question, you can go ahead and click on number 3, add your question, then add your answers. And if you ever need to edit a question, you can simply just go here and make any needed changes. And same for answers. When you click on the question at the top, you will see the relating answers at the bottom. So when I click on question number 2, you will see the answers for question number 2 below. So if you need to make any changes, you can edit them directly on the lines here. And the answers could be edited directly from the answer fields below. All right, when you're all done setting up your exam, you will want to click the Update Points button at the bottom so TrainTrack can calculate how many possible points your employee could get on this exam. So because we have 2 questions and the correct answers are worth 100 points, the possible points is calculated to be 200. And then you'll want to edit the passing score. So in this case, I would want the employees that are required to take this exam to get both questions correct. And we'll put a passing score of 200. If I just wanted them to get one of the 2 answers correct, I would put 100 in the passing score. And here you're almost done. You just want to check off the is the exam required box. And now everyone who is required to complete this exam everyone that is required to complete this training will have to take the exam in order for the training to be marked as complete. And keep in mind, once they complete this exam, the completion will be added automatically to the training record as long as the exam is passed. If they do not pass the exam, they'll have the opportunity to retake it until they do. If you ever have a situation where you would like to administer a paper exam, if you want to print this exam out and give it out in a class perhaps, you can click the button on the right-hand side at the bottom that says Preview Exam. And this will be formatted like a typical exam would be on paper. So they could put it their name, write the date, and circle the correct answers. The only downside to this is you would have to enter the completions manually once they're done, whereas if they take the exam through TrainTrack, the completion will be added automatically. But here you can go to print or email if you need to print or email this exam. Otherwise, close report and you'll be taken back to this screen. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.